I don't know what it is about this year, but I am so excited. I have another smoker coming. I just did a smoker review. A lot of stuff's going on. I got the sauce announcement coming up with all the details. I'll be talking to you about that. What else? Oh, I got another knife set coming. Oh my gosh, I'm just falling in love with this knife set. So there's so much good stuff to do. I've got a bunch of grilling, a bunch of smoking, a bunch of cooking we're doing on the show. For those of you who've never seen the show, my name's Jack Scalfani. It's the Cooking with Jack show. Welcome to the program. And today we're going to, I don't know what happened. When we did the smoker review that I just filmed, my buddy brought over a seasoning, and I'm going to use it in this episode, but he brought over a seasoning called Hardcore Carnivore. And since then, I've come across all these different seasonings that I want to try out. I want to see if they're any good. I figure I'll share it with you on the show. I'll tell you what's good, what's just okay, not really cool, not sure. But anyway, come in close so we can go through it all. We're going to be doing it on boneless chicken thighs. I think they're boneless, skinless, right? Yep. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I really like the skin on thighs. I think it crisps up really nice on the grill. And then three of these are for beef. And I'm like, I don't have any beef in the house. I mean, I have some steaks defrosting right now, but that's for another video that I'm filming tonight. So I didn't have any beef for this episode. So what I pulled out my beef ballpark hot dogs. I'm so crazy. I've never tested out seasoning on hot dogs. So we're going to lay out a few hot dogs. We're going to season them up. They're all beef hot dogs. So we'll see how the flavor works with beef. And we'll try out all the rest and we'll show you. Come on in close. All right, so here's the chicken. Here's the hot dogs over here for the beef. This 3 is for chicken. This 3 is for beef. This is called Hardcore Carnivore. And my buddy brought it over. We tried it on brisket. It was really good. I just want to get a heavier taste of it. I love to season heavily, so I want to get into this one. He left it here as a gift. So, Reggie, thank you very much. We're going to try this in this episode and talk about it. This one is a Saskatchewan Traeger. It's one of their brands. So, if you're into trying out he says these recipes from Traeger, these seasonings from Traeger are really out of this world. This is a beef rub. So we're going to try that out. This one here is a generic. It's from my food supply, kind of a grocery food supply, like a Restaurant Depot or a Gordon's Food Supply. It's from one of those places. And it claims to be Nashville Hot seasoning. I love Nashville Hot seasoning. I challenge every single one to taste like Nashville Hot. The ones I've used on the show have been true Nashville Hot. All right. This right here is interesting. This is kind of an import. It's from Spain. It's Spanish paprika. It's a sweet Spanish paprika. All right. That one's going to be interesting. And this one right here, does it sound? Oh, it does. Yeah. I'll turn it that way. Anyway, this one, you can get this pretty much anywhere. It's your bagel everything seasoning or everything bagel seasoning. I'm dying to try it, get that all mixed up, get the pepper down in there, whatever they use on the bagel for the everything bagels, that's the seasoning. I don't know why I want to try this on chicken. I have no idea. So we're doing these 3 on chicken, these 3 on beef, okay? So let's get them on a tray and we'll start seasoning. Okay, I don't know if you can see back here, I've seasoned 3 chickens and 3 beef dogs. They're very well coated, they're very well separated, so we can taste each one individually, and they're in the order of what's in front. We've got the Hardcore Carnivore, the Szechuan Rub, the Beef Rub, Nashville Hot, Sweet Paprika, everything seasoning. Okay, then we're going to cook right now at around 350, just a baking temperature. We may take the dogs off sooner than the chicken. Chicken needs to cook probably a little bit longer. Okay, guys, our dogs are done. We got our chicken, the 3 dogs for 3 beef seasonings. Those are all beef hot dogs. I didn't have beef. Unfortunately, I didn't plan good enough, I guess. I got my chicken with my 3 chicken seasonings, and they're all in the order as the seasonings sit here. So let's give them a try. So a video explaining about my sauces is coming. Just hang in there. Be ready for it. In fact, you may have already seen it. There's going to be availability all across the United States. I will explain where to get it, what to do to get it. It should be in everybody's backyard. Not literally. You're not going to walk out to your backyard and my sauce is sitting there. But it'll be local in your neighborhood. That's what's exciting. So let's get into this and we will start from this end. So let's try the hardcore carnivore. Here we go. So the hardcore carnivore, little salty, but then some pepper comes in. So they got a good balance of salt and pepper. A little more saltiness flavor than I prefer. I had this on beef when I was filming with Reggie. It's a lot better on brisket than it is on hot dogs. So you might want to give that a chance. If you like salt and pepper on your meat, this is very much like salt and pepper. They did a good job on it, but I would have backed off on the salt just a little bit. But it's very good. All right. This one is the Blackened Szechuan Rub from Traeger. Here we go. Also a little salty. I taste like there's a little herb in there. Crunchy. It's good. It's not bad. I like the other one better. The hardcore carnivore is better. So this one is the beef rub. You ready? This is I was told is people's most favorite from Traeger. Okay, here we go. There's a big sweetness to that. It is a molasses and chili is what it says on the bottle. So sweet and spicy go great together. Always been a fan. So I really like that one so far, the best of the three. That's beef. Let's try the chicken now. Here we go. This one is the Nashville Hot. Not getting it. I bought a whole big thing of it too. Not really getting the Nashville Hot flavor. There's a little bit of heat right there. Now it's coming. I'm sure if you ate it for a while, it'd be good on wings. It's just okay. The Kroger brand of Nashville Hot is way better. I like that better. Let's give this one. This one is the Spanish sweet paprika. Interesting. Okay. The sweet paprika has a little sweetness to it. It's got a little heat to it too, which is interesting. Then at the after effect, leaves your tongue tasting a little burnt. So I'm not sure if they burnt the seasoning. It's not a great after effect, which kind of bums me out because I bought a few of those, but not a fan of the sweet paprika. Just not. The aftertaste is what gets me. So I'm not really flipping out over that. Here we go. This is the everything bagel seasoning. You know, when you get an everything bagel, this is, hello. How'd I cut that? There we go. Here we go. Try it out. Interesting. I'm not a fan of the everything bagel seasoning. It belongs on a bagel. That's what it was made for. So I get it. But like Montreal steak seasoning is good on other meats. But that seasoning has a lot of seeds in it from what I'm tasting. Almost like sesame seeds are in it. There's a little bit of pepper. I don't taste salt. I don't taste sweet. Just kind of bland. It just feels like a seasoning, but doesn't taste like a seasoning. Does that make sense? So I really wasn't impressed with the 3 chicken ones. But I was very impressed with the 3 rubs. And my favorite, the 3 beef rubs. Okay, my favorite one is the Traeger Beef Rub that says molasses and chili pepper. The combination is out of this world. They did a great job, whoever made that. I know a chef probably put that together for the company. Not a fan. I mean, the Szechuan rub wasn't bad. If it was on meat, I wouldn't turn it away. The hardcore carnivore just kind of tastes like salt and pepper to me. So that's it. So the winner is the Traeger Beef Rub. Congratulations, Traeger. You did a great job on that seasoning. I really like it, and I highly recommend it that you guys pick it up. I had to get that one on Amazon because my local store didn't carry any of the Traeger seasonings. All right, so check it out, and that's it for our seasoning episode. I hope you enjoyed it. When I get a collection of new seasonings, we'll crack open like a part 2 or a part 3 or part 4 or whatever. All right, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.